A toast to toasty showers, why your hot water heater matters. Few things are more comforting than a hot shower on a cold morning. Our reliance on hot water extends far beyond simple comfort. From washing dishes to doing laundry, hot water is essential for a healthy home. Choosing the right hot water heater is a decision no homeowner should take lightly. It's an investment in your family's well-being and home efficiency. A well-chosen hot water heater can provide decades of reliable service. With so many types of water heaters on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not, we'll break down the most popular types of hot water heaters, exploring their unique advantages and disadvantages. Gas water heaters, tried, true, and often affordable. Gas water heaters have long been a staple in homes across the country. They offer a reliable and relatively affordable way to heat water. These workhorses utilize a simple mechanism. A gas burner heats water stored inside. One primary advantage is their lower operating costs compared to electric models. Natural gas is typically less expensive than electricity. Gas heaters boast faster recovery times, heating water more quickly. However, they tend to have a shorter lifespan than electric models. Despite these considerations, gas water heaters remain a popular choice for many homeowners. Electric water heaters, abundant and surprisingly efficient. Electric water heaters are the most common type found in homes today. They're widely available, relatively inexpensive, and easy to install. Unlike gas heaters, electric models don't require a gas line or venting. They operate using heating elements powered by electricity. Modern electric water heaters are highly insulated, minimizing heat loss. This translates to lower operating costs compared to older models. Another advantage is their safety. No risk of gas leaks or carbon monoxide. Their efficiency, safety, and ease of installation make them a compelling choice. Solar water heaters, harnessing the power of the sun. For environmentally conscious homeowners, solar water heaters offer an enticing proposition. These systems utilize solar collectors to absorb sunlight and transfer its heat to water. Solar water heaters can significantly reduce your reliance on traditional energy sources. The environmental benefits are undeniable, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, solar water heaters can increase the value of your home. Many governments offer tax credits and incentives for adopting solar technologies. However, their initial cost can be significantly higher than conventional models. Their efficiency is dependent on geographical location and climate. Despite these considerations, solar water heaters remain an attractive option for reducing environmental impact and enjoying long-term cost savings. Tankless water heaters, small size, big hot water output. Tankless water heaters, also known as on-demand water heaters, have gained popularity. Unlike traditional tank-style heaters, tankless models don't store hot water. They heat water on demand, eliminating standby heat loss. Tankless water heaters come in both gas and electric models. Their compact size frees up valuable storage space. Their on-demand heating mechanism ensures a constant supply of hot water. However, their initial cost is typically higher than traditional heaters. Their flow rate is limited, which can strain the system's capacity during simultaneous use. Despite these considerations, tankless water heaters offer a compelling combination of efficiency, space savings, and endless hot water. Weighing the pros and cons, choosing your ideal match. With so many types of hot water heaters available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Start by assessing your household's hot water demands. Consider your energy sources and costs. Think about your budget and long-term cost savings. While tankless water heaters offer impressive efficiency, their upfront cost can be daunting. Weigh the potential energy savings against the initial investment. Don't hesitate to consult with a qualified plumbing professional. They can assess your home's specific needs and recommend the best hot water heater for your situation. Matching your heater to your household's hot water needs. Choosing the right size and capacity for your hot water heater is crucial. A heater that's too small will leave you with lukewarm showers. To determine the appropriate size, consider your household's peak hot water usage. Calculate your peak demand by adding up the gallons of hot water used by each appliance and fixture. Once you've determined your peak demand, consult with a plumbing professional. Select a hot water heater with a first-hour rating FHR that meets or exceeds your requirements. Embracing the future smart features for smart homes. Modern water heaters come equipped with a range of innovative features. From Wi-Fi connectivity to leak detection systems, these smart features enhance efficiency and convenience. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control and monitor your hot water heater remotely. Leak detection sensors can alert you to potential problems before they escalate. Some models integrate with automatic shutoff valves to prevent further damage. These smart features provide homeowners with peace of mind, knowing their homes are protected from water damage. Finding your perfect fit, expert advice for a smooth installation. Choosing the right hot water heater is just the first step. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, efficiency, and safety. It's generally recommended to enlist the services of a qualified plumbing professional. A licensed plumber will have the expertise to assess your home's specific needs. They'll handle any necessary permits and inspections. By choosing a qualified professional, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation process.